Today we're going to check out how to make this colorful gradient effect here in Illustrator. So let's test out the Adidas logo as a reference, and as you can see it has like multiple shapes to it. In order to make this work, we're going to need to go first to the object, and let's go to compound path and select make. And from here we're going to go here to the appearance. If you have some color on the stroke, click on this, and let's go select the none. Let's go to the stroke, select the stroke, and let's add stroke, click on the stroke text. Let's go click on the align stroke to exterior, outside, and we're also going to need to make the corners around it. Something like this. So I'm thinking to go with the stroke thickness on 6. And from here what we need to do is let's go to the gradient, and let's select the gradient. I'm going to change the angle and type in 45-degree angles. And here all you need to do is just change up the colors. I'm also going to add another handle, and the location of this is going to be on 50. And all you need to do is just double click on one of these handles and select the color. Here we can change up the color. Let's repeat this step. So I'm going to go with these colors as a reference. And then from here what we need to do is make sure that you're on the stroke here. Click on the plus. And let's go and select the bottom stroke. Here we're going to need to double this. So from 6, we're gonna change it to 12. And here we're going to add some more handles. I'm going to add one here. This is going to be on 25. And then add another one here. This is going to be 75. And all you need to do is just change up the colors and pretty much repeat this step. And this is how it looks. Let's go back to the stroke with the 12 pt and click on the plus. And then we're going to add 6 more to this. So it's going to be 18. And again, let's go back to the gradient and here change up the colors and try to use some new color combo. And of course, we're also going to need to change up the angle. So I'm going to go first to the 12 pt stroke. And let's go to the angle, and here you can customize it. For example, I'm going to make this 85 degrees, and let's go to the bottom stroke here and then increase it more. So it's going to mix up the gradient even better. I'm going to go with like 100. Okay, so now we're going to need to duplicate this. So I'm going to select the stroke, press and hold shift to select all 3 strokes. Let's click on the plus. And then we're going to need to repeat this step. Let's go to the 6 pt, and then we're going to add to the 18 another 6. So that's going to be 24. Let's go to this one. This is going to be 30, 36. And of course, all you need to do is select all of it, press and hold shift, click on the plus, and just rinse and repeat. And then of course, if you want to change up the stroke thickness, all you need to do is press and hold shift plus alt, scale down the logo. You can zoom in and it's going to be thicker. And of course, if you want to make the stroke scalable, all you need to do is go here to the properties, and we're going to go here to the 3 dots and make sure to check on scale, stroke, and effects. And then if you want to add fill, you can select it. Let's go to fill and change up the color. And pretty much that's it. Thanks for watching.